You are looking at a 30-card fat pack of 2023 Score Football. Yes, I realize that this is the modern day equivalent to Junk Wax, but I think they're nice looking cards. Here we go. Keenan Allen, Travis Kelce, aka Mr. Pfizer, Ja'Marr Chase, Rondale Moore, Jakobi Meyers, Von Miller, who announced that he'll be coming back to the lineup sooner than later, Scary Terry, the great Barry Sanders, Will Anderson, Cameron Peoples, Antonio Johnson, Jordan Addison, Anthony Richardson, who at the moment you could say that he is the best out of the first round draft pick quarterback class of 2023. It's between him and CJ Stroud. Eli, Red Parallel, Sack Attack. Matt Judon, formerly of the Ravens. Rondale Moore once again. Will Anderson. Max Duggan. Von Miller, who I just mentioned. LT. George Kittle, huddle up with the Bears, who just scored their first win on Thursday night. Ja'Marr Chase, and we finish off with Anthony Richardson once again, who in 2 weeks will be squaring off against Jacksonville in Duval County. All right, folks, there it is. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit like and subscribe. Have a wonderful weekend.